Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going pheasant hunting with Pheasants Forever, and so this is my 4th year doing it with them, and I limited out last year, and this year me and Pearson limited out. So I enjoy doing this a lot. Pheasants Forever runs this thing every year. It's around the same time. This year it's on November 1st. So, I'm sorry for taking so long to post another video after the youth hunt. But now that it's getting more towards gun season, I'm going to be hunting different things and not trying to, not spook these deer. So, hopefully I can get a lot more videos out to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get into it.
Are they on the half hour or what? Yeah, maybe you guys are the first ones.
It's all right. Yeah. Let's begin the big impression.
Talking when they're on the ground and you still got 2 shells left. Straight up or straight down, so you're not pointing towards anybody. Know how to properly operate your firearm. Know how the safety works. Know how to load and unload the firearm. Do you have ears, Mason?
What?
Do you have ear protection?
Yeah. Well, I didn't bring any.
Did you get some from over there?
She said that there's some in the...
You have to grab it.
I'll grab some.
Just bring that box.
I'm just gonna grab a couple shells. Here, just take
How many
these.
should we get? Like 5 each?
4. Gotta dig for my other target loads now. There we go. Alright. Gloves. Got the old 20 gauge. Locked and loaded. Alright, let's go shoot some birds. Alright guys, we're about to shoot some clays. Going up against. Oh wait.
We play against each other. Well, winner will play bronze.
Okay.
Right? Should we back these up a little?
No.
Or should we just stand back further?
Stand back.
Come back here. Okay. You go first. Whoa.
I'm terrible at beanbags.
Do best out of 3 rounds. Oh, that's off. Alright, we'll do first.
I think it's a...
Alright guys, we made it.
Hey, you like those geese? Probably 50, 40. I sat down, I'm like, bunch of different things.
Yeah, I know. Hey, last year we were on that field. The year before we were on that field.
No,
First year I ever did this, we were on this field too.
first year we were way over there.
Well, we were just to the left.
Like way down there. You don't even park in the same spot. Brought our fourth damage to turkey buttons.
Dude, I still have TSS for it.
Me too. I haven't shot none of it. I got 2. Hey, hand me my bullets. Shells.
Here's shells. Here.
Where'd my glasses go?
Hey, don't put that on.
Where'd my glasses go?
I don't know, I have mine in my pocket. Gonna put this head strap on.
Where did it go?
Right like this.
Where the heck?
He's gonna think I'm a
Idiot.
He's gonna be like, why the heck are you using your phone? Hey, no, knocked it over. Alright. Got that. Alright guys, we got some Winchesters here.
Trash ammo.
Yeah, I gotta get Federal. I wish I had Federal, but... Alright, I'm gonna go no gloves. Just...
I hope. It's not even cold.
Oh, I gotta bring an extra nitro mag. Excellent.
Nitro mags aren't even big loads. They're the same as things.
I think they probably just shoot faster. So.
They have a name that just makes them seem big.
Yeah.
I don't know where the heck I put those. Oh, here they are. Where are his glasses? He can't see without his glasses.
Are you gonna wear ear protection?
You have to. Dude, these yellow things are sweet for hunting.
I know.
Dude, you think if you wore these deer hunting, you could see vortex and you can see in the dark.
You can.
Yeah, it like makes it way brighter. Yo, these might be the strap. You gotta try them out.
It'll be hard to look through your peep and get anchored though.
No, it won't. Your eyes won't affect it.
Well, I bring it like right up close to my like but
I'm not talking about even just shooting, just like.
but dude, when I'm decided I want to buy other things instead of a brand new bow. I'm just gonna get the Bee Stinger Hex.
No, get different.
Well, I'm just gonna get
Get the ones
stabilizers.
that I got.
Hey, Brian's not gonna shoot nothing.
You
We'll
have
see.
a foam mount on your
Yeah,
back.
I can't find my GoPro.
Do you want me to strap mine to you?
Hmm?
I have mine.
No.
You have your what? The GoPro?
How would I
Look it
get
up.
the footage? Hey, the phone works perfectly fine. I can edit the videos way faster.
Yo, strap up your GoPro.
That field and someone will go with you.
You can walk the edge.
The edge.
Doesn't have any on it.
So see, that's the bad thing, 'cause the dogs are gonna hit the trap. I think we should change it next time. Just say, hey, no, this is how we want to do it.
Maverick, come here. They both, yeah. Mav's on point over there.
Right up on it.
Mav's over here.
Yeah, he's on point.
He's locked. Locked tighter than a drum.
You're gonna have to either flush that one or
But just wait,
yeah.
We'll
That's
run you
Mav's not
separate.
gonna come on
Right.
point.
okay? It's not fair. We'll let him go. Let him do his thing. We know there's birds over here. We'll take care of you.
All right.
We can't pull that dog off that trap right now. Off that trap right now.
There he goes.
You guys pheasant hunt a lot?
They do. I go a lot.
Are you guys into waterfowl?
I used to be. Back when I was in high school.
Here, I'll grab him.
Yeah, I like duck hunting. It just sucks when you get cold or too hot.
I've done a lot of deer hunting.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Bad shot. You don't normally do that. Now they're gonna fight over to bring you back. Nice shooting.
I deer hunt or did. I've kind of slowed down on all of it the older I get.
Yeah, I deer hunt as much as I can.
Yeah. You were with us first year, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to shoot this?
Hold up.
I can unload it for you.
Mav's on point
Here,
on
just
your
keep your
other
shells.
bird already.
Is he?
It's got
Yeah,
two in
I
it.
didn't know that they were.
It was a, yeah.
Two
We'll
sixes.
change it up next time.
There's not.
There's two.
There ain't nothing in here.
There's two.
There isn't.
Yeah, there is.
There. I just saw the red.
Here,
Unless it didn't cycle.
here.
And there's one in here.
Got a bird right here already.
Should be. Is there not?
Yep. See the dog up there? Just go ahead and walk right up in there.
Gonna take it off safety now? Or do you want me to wait?
I'll wait for the bird to take off.
Let that bird get in the air.
Yep, don't hit the dog.
Barrel up. Yep, there you go.
We just keep walking.
All right, load up because he went down just about where the next bird did.
I know Mav's right there.
Probably got some good video on that one. Here.
Yeah.
Here. Gunner.
Well, Mav got your bird.
Mav.
Oh,
I think that one's dead now.
Mav, don't eat it. Hey.
they put that golden one on. The one from earlier this morning.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, Mav.
Is there strings in these or no?
Yeah, leave that right there.
No. No.
He's gonna move them because
Oh.
we don't want him on the outside because the dogs are gonna keep going right to. So we'd rather have them work straight down. Because otherwise they're gonna keep. They're gonna keep coming around and hitting that. Yeah.
I'm not gonna keep pulling the dogs off of the bird.
No, we'll have to. Yeah.
Go, princess. I shot a blonde.
You did?
Yeah, it's blonde.
It was that dog. Took my bird.
He tried to with mine too. He had him for a second.
I know.
All right, we can walk up.
All right.
You guys have all your birds?
Yeah.
All right, let's
You got
we'll
yours?
walk up and I'll.
Oh, the dog has my second one.
Oh, Gunner still has it?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Just ran off that way.
He's probably up by the car with it. I thought you grabbed it. I didn't know you could grab it.
Where's your first one at?
I got him all.
Yeah. What are you gonna do with the blonde one? Just eat it.
Oh, I see him. He's with Justin. We'll get you your bird. Do you guys want to hang out down here for a minute?
Yeah.
We got a puppy in here that I want to let you come see these birds a second. Too.
All right. You gotta see my blonde one.
Come on, buddy. Come on. What's this? What's this? What's that?
You guys want pictures with them?
Yeah.
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 That's your blondie.
And my other one.
And that's yours.
Hey guys. Wait, show them the blonde pheasant.
Oh!
A rare blonde pheasant. Thing looks sick. Limited out on pheasants.
Put yours on that side.
Oh. Some nice pheasants. That blondie.
How the fuck did Alexis Crawford?
Is that what you got?
I think we did pretty good today.
Did I?
Nice blonde pheasant. Thing's sick. And then he got those two. I got these two. And Brian and Carter are gonna show up here soon with their pheasants. Line them up. They got food over there. They're raffling off a gun. Yeah, I'm surprised that Michigan Outdoors isn't here this year.
They weren't here last year.
Yeah, it's 2 years ago, but nice pheasants. Will taste pretty good. Gonna make some poppers with them. Poppers or just bacon wrapped?
Or pheasant sandwiches. Chicken sandwiches with them.
Yeah,
Grilled chicken. Yup. That's it right there. Mozzarella. Alright, enough time for worry. Hop in behind them.
Hey, good job, Brian.
Thank you.
Shoot, little pheasants. Good job, Carter.
Alright, we gotta hop up in here. Spread them out a little bit so they go. Right.
No.
No. What do you want?
Our favorite part, Pearson. All the food.
I'm gonna get 2 sandwiches.
Where are the plates here? Gotta get
Plates then?
yeah. Down here.
Alright, here we go. Load it up, man.
Nice warm food after a successful hunt.